Welcome to Days at Dogwood Canyon, a nature podcast brought to you by Dogwood Canyon Audubon Center in Cedar Hill, Texas. This is a podcast that will take you into our 200-acre wildlife preserve in the heart of the DFW Metroplex. Take a quick weekly break with us and get outside with the fresh air, the trees, and of course, the birds. My name is Kirsten and I'm Center Coordinator Community Programs here at Dogwood Canyon Audubon Center. Welcome, listeners, to our Days at Dogwood Canyon podcast. This is a podcast about nature, birds, plants, and us. We will talk about how we all rely on each other to live our best lives. Fall is fast approaching, which means our fall flowering plants are getting ready to bloom. I thought this would be the perfect time to talk about some of the plants you can see right here at Dogwood Canyon. One of our favorites, and the favorite of many native pollinators, is White Mistflower, Agrittatina havanensis, or Eupatorium havanese, or Eupatorium texans. Other common names include shrubby boneset, white shrub mistflower, and Havana snakeroot. White mistflower is found in Texas. According to wildflower.org, run by the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center in Austin, Texas, within the United States, it is found only in Texas. Its native range is the Edwards Plateau in Texas down to northern Mexico, Cuba, and the Bahamian Islands. In its native range, it prefers rocky hillsides and bluffs in the southern half of the hill country of Texas. It likes well-drained soils such as sand, loam, clay, limestone, and it actually prefers a drier soil. So that makes it great for planting in a Texas garden. It is a rounded shrub that grows from 2 to 6 feet tall, with many branched stems growing from the base. The leaf blades are triangular or roughly ovate and can grow up to 3 inches long. The margins of the leaf are wavy or coarsely toothed with a pointed tip, and the base is broadly tapered. The leaves are opposite and hang from fairly long stalks. So far, the description of this plant might not be selling you, but the best is yet to come. When this plant blooms, you'll get a little fuzzy white and sometimes pink flower that grows in clusters and are fragrant. The flowers look like little fireworks exploding on the ends of the stalks. They will bloom from April to December. Talk about keeping color in your garden all year long. Their leaves will often remain through winter, adding a little bit of green to the winter months. They have adapted well to growing outside their native range throughout the state of Texas, as long as the soil is well draining. They also grow well in either part shade or full sun. Very adaptable, I love that. They're a wonderful addition to your garden because they support much local wildlife such as butterflies, native bees, and hummingbirds. They're a great stopover for nectar-drinking butterflies and birds on their way south during fall migration. Some of you may be wondering if you need to add this to your garden if you already have Greg's Mistflower. And I say that is up to you. But this offers a white flower if that is aesthetically pleasing to you. And these flowers also exude a lovely fragrance that Greg's Mistflower does not. If you're interested in adding this lovely plant to your garden, which I hope all of you are, whether in a yard or on a porch in a pot, we try to always carry it at both of our plant sales, and our fall plant sale will be coming soon. If you'd like to see a cousin of this plant, we currently have the late boneset blooming in our pocket prairie out front at the time of recording, which was in September. This plant grows much taller and leggier than the white mistflower, but it will show you what the flowers look like. I hope to see all of you out at Dogwood Canyon Audubon Center soon, asking about the late boneset or treating yourself to a white mistflower plant at our fall plant sale.